Welcome, beloveds, and I'm Tonya Gonzalez, creator of Yini Yoga. In this preview series, I want to share with you the first part, the most important part of creating a flow in our lives. Yini Yoga came to me as really as a call to action. It was an opportunity for me to bring together all elements of things that I love and create something special just for women that, like me, it might be going through perimenopause or might have had fertility issues or have had some type of trauma or drama within the uterus and womb. See, it was during the research of my upcoming book, Heal Sister Heal, that I knew that there was something deeper to healing the yoni, healing the sacral chakra. It begins with connecting to our inner fire. This inner fire is where we balance and restore. This is where we nurture and nourish. This is also where we transmute and transform. It's where we go through the cycles inside and out. It's where life and death come from, and it's the keeper of secrets. And so when we allow ourselves to tune in and turn on our womb wisdom by connecting through breath, through connecting through poses, we allow ourselves to be a portal, to be an opening, to be a healing, to be a tool, to be a device of divine inspiration as well as aspiration. Now see, this type of yoga allows you to stoke that which really restores you from the inside out. It's a sacred blend of sensuality, spirituality, and sexuality all in one. Why? Because we focus on the yoni. The yoni is a beautiful word that represents divine opening, divine union. It is where women and men and people of all genders come together and make what is called love. And when we allow ourselves to love from that place, we open another portal within ourselves. But first comes breath. And so when we begin the fire process or in the fire experience, opening it, it is about flow. That's our F in fire, and it's about inspiration. That's our I. R is restore, and E is energize. And so how I love to start with breathing, with flow, is bringing in the elements. Flow of the air, flow of the energy with sacred sound, flow through with crystals, flow with all types of magical energy. Again, whatever moves energy. So I love to start out by using some of my sacred scents. This is the brow chakra. Again, setting the energy, raising the vibration, allowing all of my senses to come through. I like to always swipe my ears, and since it's for the brow, I like to make sure I get right there at that pineal gland, third eye. And as we allow ourselves to just come into some deep breathing, allow yourself to witness your breath. Go ahead and close your eyes. I like to place my thumbs right at my heart, which is a portal. And I allow myself to just listen to my breath, focus on my breath. And as you focus on your breath, allow yourself to be in harmony and in flow. And as you allow yourself to become quiet here, for just a moment, breathing becomes slower and more easily in flow. Stay tuned for basic breathing in yoga coming up next. I can't wait to continue to stoke your inner fire with Yini Yoga, activating your sacral chakra and your sensual spirit. I send you so much love and light, and stay tuned for the next preview video on basic yogic breathing. Until next time, beloveds, stoke your inner fire, tune in, and turn on. Namaste.